Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are unpacking an incredibly timely blueprint, 7 AI side hustles that can help students make money in 2026. If you've been wondering how you can actually leverage this massive boom in artificial intelligence to build a real sustainable income, all while juggling your classes and exams, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get right into it. Now, I hear this all the time. Can I really make money in 2026 if I'm starting from absolute zero? Let me be crystal clear right out of the gate. There will be absolutely zero fake income claims here. There are no guarantees that you're going to get rich quick by just pressing a single magic button. We're moving fast today, and we're focusing purely on reality. If you're starting from zero, the tools available right now give you incredible leverage, but they do not replace the human element. Okay, let's dive into this. Results depend on skills, consistency, and effort, not magic. Think of AI as a multiplier. If you multiply zero effort by an insanely advanced AI tool, you know what you get? You still get zero. But if you bring consistency, a genuine willingness to learn the skills, and real effort to the table, AI can amplify your output like nothing we've ever seen. Grounding yourself in this reality is the only true path to success. Here is our roadmap for this explainer. 1. Creative AI hustles. 2. Automation and management. 3. AI digital products. 4. Your 90-day action plan. And 5. Myths, truths, and scaling. Let's jump in. Section 1. Creative AI hustles. These are incredibly beginner-friendly. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is looking at these 3 massive opportunities side by side. First up, AI content writing. The demand for blogs, newsletters, and scripts is absolutely skyrocketing in 2026. You just need some basic editing skills and a good understanding of human psychology, pairing that with tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Next, AI thumbnail design. Literally every YouTube video needs one. By combining Midjourney for image generation with Canva or Photoshop, you can create highly clickable art. Finally, AI video editing. Short-form content isn't going anywhere anytime soon. Using tools like Premiere Pro with its new AI plugins, or even just CapCut, you can cut your editing time right in half. And here's a fun fact. These are perfect for students because you can run an entire media empire right from your dorm room entirely on your own schedule wearing your sweatpants. But, all right, it's time for a quick reality check. The pros? You can realistically earn a few hundred to a couple of $1,000s a month once you build up a solid client base. Plus, it's super flexible. But what about the biggest trap? Just copy-pasting AI outputs. Listen, if you hand a client an unedited, robotic-sounding blog post, you will lose that client immediately. The con here is that the barrier to entry is low, which means competition is high. You have to add your own unique human taste to the AI's raw output if you actually want to stand out. Section 2. Automation and management. This is where we build scalable systems. We have 3 major players here. First, AI Faceless YouTube automation. This involves using AI to script, voice, and edit videos without ever showing your face. You start by picking a specific niche and just consistently posting. Next is the AI automation agency. Guys, this is huge in 2026. You're basically helping local businesses integrate AI chatbots or automated workflows. You build a portfolio by doing it for free for just one local business, and then you use that case study to pitch paying clients. Finally, AI social media management. You use AI to schedule posts, generate ideas, and analyze trends for creators or brands. How do you find clients? You start direct cold emailing or messaging businesses on LinkedIn or Instagram whose current social presence clearly needs an upgrade. To really succeed here, you absolutely must prioritize scaling over fluff. To scale, you build systems. Once you've got a few clients, you use your revenue to hire out the repetitive parts of the process. And the fluff you need to avoid? Spending 3 whole months planning a logo, or dropping $2,000 on a course before you've even pitched a single client. Taking action is what actually scales a business, not endless preparation. Section 3. AI digital products. The classic build once, sell infinite times model. So the crucial point is that launching a digital product really comes down to a simple 4-step process. Step 1, understand the product. Are you making an AI-generated art bundle, a Notion template powered by AI prompts, or maybe an ebook? Step 2, master the specific skills and tools needed to create it. Step 3, build your portfolio, or in this case, set up your storefront on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. And Step 4, find customers. For digital products, this usually means utilizing organic traffic from TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest to drive viewers directly to your shiny new storefront. Let's weigh all 7 of these hustles. If you're a complete beginner, AI content writing and AI thumbnail design are the absolute best places to start. The learning curve is short, and you can literally get a portfolio up in a single weekend. But what if you're looking for the highest long-term potential? That title goes to the AI automation agency and AI digital products. Sure, they require a bit more setup and business acumen, but they offer true scalability that isn't just tied to trading your time for money. Section 4, your 90-day action plan. Let's talk execution strategy. All right, this is your 90-day blueprint. Month 1 is dedicated entirely to learning. Soak up those free resources. Devour YouTube tutorials. Abuse those free trials of AI software. Read the documentation. Pick just one hustle and obsess over it. Month 2 is execution. You are building your portfolio now. Do mock projects. Write fake blogs for real brands, or redesign terrible thumbnails you find on YouTube to show what you can actually do. By month 3, you are hunting for clients. Get on Upwork, Fiverr, or start sending direct cold outreach to businesses. And listen to me, do not jump to month 3 before you actually finish months 1 and 2. Section 5, myths, truths, and scaling. Time for some real talk. And this brilliantly illustrates the roadblocks and myths that most people face. Myth number 1. AI just does all the work for you. False. AI is the engine, but you are the steering wheel. If you don't guide it, you're going to crash. Myth 2. It's way too late to start in 2026. Absolutely not. The tools are getting better, for sure, but the number of people who actually know how to use them effectively to solve real business problems, it's still incredibly small. A super common FAQ we get is, do I need money to start? No way. Almost every single tool out there has a free tier, and your sweat equity is your primary capital. We're bringing it full circle back to this one core truth. Results depend on skills, consistency, and effort. Seriously, write this down somewhere. Remember it when you face your very first rejection from a client, or when that first digital product you launch gets 0 sales. The students who succeed with these AI side hustles aren't necessarily the smartest ones in the room. They are simply the most persistent. So, what's it going to be? Which AI side hustle will you start today? Pick one, stick to that 90-day plan, and put in the real effort. Because here is the ultimate truth about 2026. AI won't replace students, but students who know how to use AI will absolutely replace those who don't. Which side of that equation are you going to be on? Keep an eye out for our next explainer, where we'll reverse engineer exactly how to write the perfect cold email to land those high-paying clients. Until next time, stay focused and get to work.